Hello, my name is David Barron. You might also know me by my pen name, which is Dentalian Jones. I've recently put out a simple instructional course in meditation called Advanced Meditation for Beginners. Now, I want to be very clear, I don't consider myself to be a meditation instructor, even though I have sort of practiced meditation for nearly 40 years consistently, and that means sitting down every day for a period of time and just calming my mind. Serious meditation is really designed to force you to become aware of your own ego and all of its benefits, but also all of the things it does to harm you. It doesn't necessarily happen immediately, and it doesn't necessarily happen dramatically, but it is going to happen. It is inevitable when you meditate consistently. A lot of people will want to find the very best meditation, and the truth of the matter is the best meditation is the one meditation you do every day. But I've sort of looked through and I found some that I think I would call them advanced, because they do require a certain amount of discipline. They do require a mature aspect of taking responsibility. A lot of the meditation recordings I've seen have the woo-woo background music, and it's all about relaxing and imagining pretty images, and quite frankly, I think it's spoon-feeding you. What I've got something is a meditation instruction that is direct. It treats you like an adult. It gives you the instructions, and it's designed to give you a result when you practice it consistently. I could give this away, but I don't think you're going to value it if I just gave it to you. So I've set it at a price of a download of $9.95. That's enough to give it some value so that you will invest some time in it, but it's not so much that it's going to be expensive. So go ahead and check out the link. If you have questions, feel free, give me a call.